Want to create this amazing dreamy hazy effect? Let's get into Photoshop and see how we can achieve it with some easy steps. Open Photoshop. Import your image. Make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Go to Filter, Blur and choose Lens Blur. Change the radius amount to its maximum. And hit OK. Now change its blending mode to screen. As you do that, you will see the soft hazy effect being applied to the image. Make the opacity a little down if you want. Now go to the adjustment layer and choose curves. Adjust the shadow and highlights as per your image. Again go to adjustment layer and this time choose gradient map. Pick a color of your choice and hit OK. Adjust its opacity as well. Select all the layers to create a new combined layer by pressing Ctrl or Command plus Alt or Option plus Shift plus E. Right-click and convert it into a smart object. Go to Filter, Noise and add noise. Change the amount according to your image and hit OK. And here's the final result. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.